everybody, Lynda Odendaal, PropTechWomen. I'm really excited about the way forward with the app. This is really just a brief update to say it will be available shortly on the various app stores, so you can download it on your Apple device, your Android device. You can get it on the PWA store. We're really excited about the way forward because we know it's a collaboration tool and it's going to bring investors, entrepreneurs and mentors together in various sectors. So there will be sector components within it, and we really know that that is going to bring a lot of value to some of you that have some great ideas but you can't actually get them to market. So commercialization, talk to commercialization is key, and we'll be looking at how we can invest together and make some money together, and that's really what it's all about sharing knowledge, getting the right ideas from paper to reality and making some money. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited about sharing with you, and I'm excited about the people that are going to be joining the community. Have a great day. Keep an eye out on Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn, and we certainly be bringing you more updates along the way. Over and out from PropTechWomen, and have a wonderful day.